Hello guys, in continuation to the previous class, we will try to solve some more problem. For example, say the question is given something like this: 1, 1, then 1, 1, then one more is 1. Now try to find out how many groups you will be finding. Just pause the video and try to find out answer. Fine, if not, we'll start the problem, right? So always see that, for example, first we'll start from this 0 cell, right? 0 cell means 3 variable means 8 cell, right? Maximum. Is there any 8 grouping? No, right? So this is one only adjacent, this one only adjacent. Here also we don't have any value. This is the adjacent of this one, right? Here also we don't have any one. So 8 grouping is not possible. Then next, what is the value? What is the next least condition? We can go for grouping of 4 ones. Is there any grouping of 4 adjacents one for this 0 cell? No, right? Next, what is the priority? Second is the priority, right? Now if you group like this, this will be one product term you will be getting, right? I'm not going to write the what is the product term value. Just for understanding purpose, I'm explaining the multiple K-maps, how to minimize the function, means how to write the grouping only I'm explaining in this particular topic, right? If you don't understand this topic, you please try to watch the previous video also, so that you will be having the clear cut knowledge, right? Thank you. Now see that this is one group. Now what we will do is we'll try to start from here, right? We will try to start from here, right? Try to start from here means, is there any 8 adjacent ones for this cell? No, right? Any 4 adjacent ones? No, right? Any 2 adjacent ones? Right? So we have the 2 adjacent ones. So this is the second way. Now what is the leftover cell? This is the leftover cell, right? So leftover cell means, remember guys, you should not, if you group single one means that is absolutely rubbish, right? There is no meaning of learning the K-map, right? Now what we have to do is, we are starting from the cell number 5. Cell number 5 means what we have to do is, right? Cell number 5 means what we have to do is, for this cell we need to find out, is there any 8 adjacents? Is there any adjacents, guys? No, right? Is there any 4 adjacents? No, right? Is there any 2 adjacents? Yes. Either we can group like this, or one more possibility, we can group like this, right? If you group like this also, it is correct, or if you group like this also, it is correct only, right? I hope you understand this problem. Next we will consider the one more problem, guys. The problem is look like something like this, right? I'm going to consider the values 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now try to find out how many groups we will be getting. Try to find out, guys. See the answer. First we will start from this one. You can start from anywhere, right? So let it be, for example, I am starting from the cell number 2. Is there any 8 possibility? No, right? Is there any 4 possibility? Yes. What is that answer? This is the answer, first product term. Now what is the ungrouped cell? This one, right? You can start from anywhere, from this one or from this one, or let it be, for example, we start from the 4th cell. For this 4th cell, is there any 8 adjacent ones? No. Any 4 adjacent ones? Right. Here the things will come, right? So what do you mean by this is, you need to always group the maximum number of ones, right? We already know, we have already discussed several times what is the cell adjacency, right? If you see that this is the adjacency of this one, this is the adjacency of this one, right? It means that we can group the folding, right? But what is the method we need to use? We need to use the folding method. How to folding? At a time we can fold these two value into these two value, means we are making this half, this first part, sorry, second part we are going to fold on the first part, what we discussed in the previous classes, right? Now what I'm going to do is, so this is the value, right? We are folding, this will be lies exactly after folding on this one. Now what is this product term here? This is belongs to this product term, right? What is this product term value? BC bar will be lies here. Now what is the answer? Here this is belongs to A bar, A, right? This also will get cancelled. So here what is the value we have? B bar C is the original value after folding. What is the, which one is lies here? BC bar. So B bar cancel, right? What is the meaning? B bar C bar, right? Fine. Then one more is the B bar C bar, one more is the BC, right, guys? Now C bar means what is the answer? Answer is the C bar, right? Now what is the answer for this group 1? C bar. So always try to understand that, is there any possibility to group the maximum number of ones? You need to solve the problem such a way so that you will be getting extremely minimized expression, right? That kind of thing you need to understand from the K-map. For example, see, I have this 1, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one more something like this. Now try to find out how to solve this problem. Right, absolutely. Is there any 16 possibility? Suppose I'm starting from here. Is there any 16 possibility? No, right? Is there any 8 possibility? Yes, we have the 8 possibility. One option is that something like this we can group, right? Or one more option is that we will group like this, 8 ones. This is one group, right? Now what is the pending term? These ones are the pending value. Suppose for example I'm starting from here. Is there any 8 adjacent ones? Sorry, any 16 adjacent ones? No, right? Any adjacent ones? Yes. In which case? In folding case we have the 8 adjacent ones. This one, right? After folding, what will be happen? Two parts means you will be getting CD bar will lies here, right? Now CC bar will get cancelled. D bar means D bar. So all these things will get cancelled. So answer will be D bar, right? So like that you need to make the visualization while you are solving the problem using the K-Map method, right? So we'll try to solve some more problem, guys, so that it will be easy for you people to understand K-Map clearly, right? What's happening? Fine, we'll consider the one more example, right? See, something it is look like this. Let me consider value 1 1 1 1. Then one more something like this 1 1. We'll consider something like this 1. Then one more value here we'll consider the something like this. We'll consider, what we'll do is we'll consider the 1, then again we will consider the 1, right? Like this we'll consider, right? So how to solve this problem, guys? First we'll start from here, right? No 16 possibility, no 8 possibility, we have the 4 possibility, right? Again we'll start from here, right? The leftover cell, right? No 16 possibility, no 8 possibility, we have 4 possibility, right, guys? This is the 4 possibility. Now what is the leftover one? This one is the leftover one. Is there any 16 possibility for that leftover one? Nothing but cell number 9 value, no, right? Is there any 8 possibilities? No, right? Is there any possibility? No, right? Is there any 2 possibility? Think and tell me the answer. Is there any 2 possibility? Yes. What is this? This is adjacent one, adjacent one, adjacent one. One more is the adjacent ones, right? Try to visualize the problem, right? Now how we can fold? We can fold by using of the folding method. How to fold? This half will be going to be fold. Earlier previous case we used to fold from the right direction to the left. Now we are going from the bottom to top. In this case, what is the visualization is required? You make it as the 2 half. You fold this 2 half into the first half, right? Now what will be happen where we have the value here? 1 1 means this is belongs to this one, right? After folding, what will be happen? This value will lies on the right here, it will be lies on the A bar B bar, right? Now this one will go here, right? Now what is the answer for this one? Now this one is here completely. Now it is belonging to this cell. So what is the answer? A bar get cancelled, B bar means B bar will be the answer. So for this one, this is completely related to C bar D. This is the answer, guys. Like that we need to solve the problems in the K-Map, right? Always try to group that. One shortcut way is that you try to group the maximum number of ones. The moment you think the maximum number of ones, one more is the cell adjacency formula, then K-Map is nothing, guys. The moment if you forgetting grouping of the maximum number of ones and if you don't know cell adjacency, then you will never get the correct answer for the K-Map minimization for the given boolean expression, right? Now we'll consider the final problem, something like this, right? What we will do is in this case is something we'll consider like this 1 1 1 something 1 1 something 1 1 something like this 1 we'll consider, guys, right? We'll consider like this, right? Now try to find the answer. Where we'll start, guys? Let it be, we'll start from this one, right? We can start from anywhere, right? But this time we'll start from the cell number 2. Is there any 16 possibility? No, way, right? Is there any 8 possibility? No way, right? Is there any 4 possibility? Try to think, guys. Is there any 4 possibility? Yes. What is that 4 possibility for this cell? This is the adjacence of this one. This is the adjacence of this one. Again, this is the adjacence of this one, right? So the answer will be look like this. This is one group. right? Sorry, this is one group. Next, what is the leftover value? What is the leftover value, guys? This one is the leftover value, right? So group this. Is there any 4 possibility? Is there any 16 possibility? No, right? Is there any 8 possibility? No, right? Is there any 16 possibility? No, right? Here we have the 4 possibility, right? Now what is the leftover one? This is important, guys. What is the leftover one? This one, right? Again try to check, is there any 16 ones for this one? No. Any 8 ones for this one? No. Any 4 ones? Yes, we have the 4 one, guys. This one is adjacent, adjacent, adjoint, adjacent. See, overlapping is allowed as many times the grouped, already grouped cell we can use, right? So here this is not only the answer. If you try to solve this problem, you will be finding the answer in different way, but what is the correct answer is that whichever having the minimum number of the product term, that will be correct answer, right? This is not only the way to solve this problem. If you solve this problem, you will be getting the answer in some other, like this, some people will get in the grouping of this 4 one also, guys, right? So always remember that we need to group the maximum number of variables, then final value should be, answer should be in terms of the minimum number of the product term, right? So next class what we will try to do is, we will try to solve the problem by using on the right don't care combinations, right? We will see what is the meaning of don't care combination in K-map, then we will see the answer. So before going that, then one more important problem, right? If you see that in most of the exam point of view, they will be asking, so what is that is, for example, suppose say you have the value here 1 1 1 1. Now try to tell me how many groups you will be getting. Try to visualize, guys. If I am giving the question, means it is not easy question, right? Some kind of visualization is required. How many groups you will be getting? 2 group of 1 group. What is your answer, guys? Think and tell me what is your answer, right? If you are telling 2 groups, means it is again wrong. The answer is only single group. How? 0 is adjacent of 2, right? 2 is adjacent of 10, right? 10 is adjacent of 8, right? 8 is adjacent of the 0, right? Yes or no, right? 1 0 1 0, right? Next 1 0 0 0. This is nothing but the 10. This is nothing but the 8, right? How many changes? No change, no change, no change. Only one change, guys. Adjacency, right? Adjacency means we can group the right. We can group, right, guys? Right, fine. Now what is the meaning of this one? Here there is a thing you have to remember, guys. This is only one situation which will be occur in the K-map. Just try to remember this situation. So how to solve this one is, right? So how to solve this one is, first what we have to do is, we need to group something like this, right? So this half, this half is going to be grouped with this. Now what will be happen? C D bar will lies on this. Now what will be happen means, here completely this part will be vanished, something like this, right? This part will be something vanished. This one is there, guys. This one is there, guys. This will be lies on the this one, this one. Now if you again see this, now what is happening here? We have the again folding, right? Now we can do folding like this. Now what will be happen, right? Here now we are doing folding from the bottom to top, right? Try to visualize, guys. We are doing the folding from the bottom to top. After plotting from top, bottom to top means this is a value, right, for this one. So AB bar will lies on the here, A bar, B bar. Now what is the final answer? C bar will get cancelled. D bar means D bar. Then one more, A bar get cancelled. Then B bar means B bar. So what is the answer? B bar and D bar is the answer. So how we used to, generally we used to represent means, folding means for this situation, right? First give me, let me erase, guys, first, right? So what we used to do here is, if you have the 4 corner ones, right? So if you have the 4 corner ones, what we used to do is, right, so give me a second, 1 1 1 1 means first you are folding like this, right? Something like this. After first folding like this, again you are folding one more time. So after folding, what will be happen? This value will be lies here, this value will be lies here. Finally you will be getting the answer B bar D bar. Just remember this, guys. This is a rare case which will come in the K-map methodology, right? Thank you, guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe my videos, right? So it will be helpful for me, right? And if you find that this video is something useful for you, then please do like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.